Hello, Namaste. I am Nikki Parihar and welcome back to Flora Plethora. So, this beautiful corner you see is a succulent corner, a lovely spider plant, and a lot of other succulents placed here. If you are a beginner gardener or you are a forgetful gardener, you do not remember regularly watering your plant or giving manure to your plants, then succulents are your go-to plant variety. Today is a very special video for which I am very excited because this is a plant unboxing video. So I have ordered around 10 succulent plants from an online website which I'll be unboxing with all of you and also would show you how they turn up after 20-25 days. Are they stable? How are they looking like? So stay tuned till the end. So that's our parcel. I have ordered these plants from Succulent Factory and popular succulent online portal. Let's start unboxing this plant. So to tell you a little about this website, it is a Bangalore-based online site, and this sells very healthy and economical succulents. So because as a plant lover, I keep visiting different plant nurseries and I always keep checking the prices of different plants over there. So normally succulents, they do come up in a higher range of prices, but here you find succulents starting from rupees 50 to, I think maximum they have succulents in the range of 500 as well. So that's opened up now. Let's start. So they have wrapped up plants in these newspaper. We do not get plant pots or soil along with the plants. They just send us bare rooted plants, which is okay with succulents. They don't die off even in a week of transit. They are healthy when you receive them. So that's the first plant. So our first set of plant, this one looks like a Crassula Horbit, and I really loved the shape of this plant, the leaves and the stem system, whatever we may call it. They are very unique looking, and this one is a Tangleheart plant. It's very popular nowadays for hanging baskets. Mostly succulents are pretty easy to grow and take care of. These are the 4 inches pots that I have ordered along with these plants from a different website, of course. At Succulent Factory, we get only succulents. Now, this one is a Gelteria plant, if I'm pronouncing it right. I've ordered 2 of them. Again, they have a very different pattern on their leaves. They look very unique, so I'm looking forward to add them in my plant collection. I have a bit of plant collection, and yeah, in Bangalore's weather, they do well. We need to know specific tricks of what are the do's and don'ts as per the weather of the city that you live in. And this is a Sansevieria. Sansevierias are my favorite. I had a tall variety of Sansevieria. Now I have ordered this small variety, so that's kind of compact or dwarf Sansevieria, and I think I had ordered 2 of these. There's a string of Tangleheart in it. I will poke this string as well in the soil. It will root out, I'm sure. So Sansevierias, as I was saying, are I had covered them in most easy plants to grow as well. They are called the oxygen bombs. They release oxygen even in the night, and you can actually place Sansevierias even in an area which doesn't receive a lot of sun or in full sun, and it will do well in both the conditions. So that's the USP of Sansevierias. Now, this plant, I am not aware about its name. I did ask the seller also to message me the name, but probably they are also not sure. But it looked lovely in the picture. Here, the condition doesn't look great. I will try and contact them if they can exchange it, and we'll see what is their response. It looked really pretty in the picture. Now, this is again another variety of Sansevieria. This is a tall one, but it has got yellow borders. So I had pure green Sansevieria, and this one I wanted to, have with a bit of shade in the outline so that it adds on to the color. We can get one or two succulents and they propagate by themselves. They keep producing babies, so you'll have a lot of them. So this is the another Sansevieria I was telling you. I had ordered couple of them, so I plan to um, place all these sansevierias in a single pot. Now that's some leaf of a succulent that I've got. I'll try and just place it somewhere. Succulents do propagate from leaf as well. I have one of my plant which had given out a leaf. So if you find a leaf of succulent like this, if it gets broken, just keep it somewhere. Don't put too much of water. Let it dry. This is the callus part. So most of the times you will find a new plant generating out of this leaf, and yeah, that's pretty surprising, but that's true. And last I had ordered some turtle wine, so I have ordered two turtle wines. All those who have got separated from the parent plant or which do not have roots, we will try and put them in soil, and I think they should they should root out. So only if the weather in your city is extremely cold during the winters, then probably you can avoid bringing new plants and succulents. But otherwise, when we repot the plants in moderate weather, they do get back really well. So that's how all these plants that I ordered, and the pots also, the 4 inches pots are looking like. I had sent this picture to the seller asking for a replacement, but he requested me to try potting it and observe a few weeks, and otherwise they would change and replace it. But now it is having new growth. I think it's stable now. This is the Cressula plant after about a month, and it's given a lot of new growth. So I think it has been stable. This is the Tangleheart plant. Even there you can see a lot of new shoots coming up, so it looks in much better stage. This one also is up and running, fingers crossed. And this one is the turtle vine plant. I had, because it was so much, I have put it in 2-3 different pots, and some of the branches have dried off, but most of it is doing well, so I think it will be fine. This is the Glateria. There's no sign of new growth, but it's still green, so I think it should pick up in some time. And the last one, Sansevieria collection. So I've placed all the 3 in the same pot, the 2 dwarf one and this yellow green mixed variety, also some turtle vine into this. So that was the unboxing video for you. Hope you found this informative and useful. Please do like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.